My name is Ming-Tai Huh. I'm the head of food and beverage for Square. Square and Uber Eats are industry leaders in the space. And when we got together, we really thought about how do we deliver the most amazing experience for both consumers and restaurants. It is more challenging to run a restaurant than it was 5, 6 years ago. Costs continue to rise, whether it's rent or supply chain. So ultimately you have to find ways to grow your business. And I think delivery is a big answer for a lot of restaurants who didn't do it before or maybe are not doing it as much. And 10 years ago, a lot of restaurants were taking information over the phone and basically rekeying it into their point of sale, like Square. When you're busy and you're working hard, it's just prone to errors. Now that experience, it's basically completely connected. All that friction has been removed in what Square and Uber Eats have built. When an order is placed on Uber Eats, the guest picks what they want, when they want it, how they want it delivered. That information programmatically is sent to Square. That means it's showing up within Square systems. It shows up within the kitchen, either a kitchen printer or a kitchen display system. And that food is being made, and it's being tracked in real time so that there's a pulse and a connection always between the restaurant and the guests being facilitated by Square and Uber Eats. That's what this integration really provides, is operational efficiency and accessibility. We're making it easier for restaurants to reach that guest more often, more accurately, and ultimately that will lead to overall greater spend, greater revenues, and greater sustainability. And I think that's the name of the game.